Have you ever felt that you're full of ambition, yet you can't move a muscle? You dream big. You want more from life. But when it's time to act, you stall. You scroll. You sleep. And then you blame yourself. You say, "I'm just lazy." But you're wrong. You're not lazy. You're misaligned. Laziness isn't a lack of energy. It's a conflict between what you think you want and what you actually desire. You say you want to build a business, but deep down, you crave comfort, approval, or just to be seen. And that gap, that misalignment, that's where laziness lives. Let me tell you a story. Years ago, I walked into a nightclub. Loud music, red lights, everyone pretending to matter. And there it was, a VIP table, empty, but roped off, guarded, glowing. People kept staring at it, like it had some magic power. It didn't. But I realized something. We often chase things, not because we want them, but because we're told to want them. That's the trap. Mimetic desire. René Girard said it best. We don't desire things directly. We desire what others desire, because we want their validation. So we build goals, chase status, push ourselves to burnout, all for things that don't feed us. And then we wonder why we're lazy. But what is the fix? Stop chasing borrowed dreams. Get brutally honest. What do you want? Not your parents, not society, not your friends. You want to write a book? Good. Then don't waste energy trying to be a millionaire CEO. You want to work in silence, travel light, live free? Then stop worshiping hustle culture. When your ambitions align with your true desires, something magical happens. You move. You act. You wake up hungry. And suddenly, you're not lazy anymore. You're just in motion. But even with clarity, motivation fades. That's where social validation can help. Not the toxic kind, but the right kind. Surround yourself with people who live what you value. Writers, builders, thinkers. Want to get better? Hang out with better people. We are the average of the 5 people closest to us. So choose wisely. Build accountability. Tell a friend your goal. Put money on the line. Create stakes. Make failure embarrassing. Because we are social creatures. We act faster when others are watching. That's not weakness. That's psychology. Use it. Still feel like giving up? Good. You should. Because you're doing too much. Stop climbing Everest on your first day. Start with a hill, then a mountain. Small goals, small wins. They build confidence, and confidence kills laziness. Let me remind you of Edison. He didn't fail. He found 10,000 ways. That didn't work. Each mistake, a lesson, a data point. Failure isn't the end. It's the curriculum. You are not lazy. You are misaligned. You are overwhelmed. You are chasing the wrong thing, for the wrong reason, with the wrong crowd. But now you know. You can shift, realign, Break your goals down. Find meaning. And then, you move. Because the truth is, laziness doesn't mean you're broken. It means you're waking up to what you really want. And that's the first step to building the life you deserve. If this story helped you, share it with someone stuck in self-doubt. Subscribe to Inspiration Codex for more stories that awaken purpose. Comment below, what ambition are you realigning today?